Have you ever wondered why people say bless you when someone sneezes? Imagine it's ancient times, and people don't understand the science behind sneezing. One popular belief was that sneezing expelled evil spirits from the body, so saying bless you was a way to protect the person. Another theory comes from the time of the bubonic plague in the 14th century. Sneezing was a symptom of the plague, and Pope Gregory I suggested saying, "God bless you," as a prayer for health. Today, while we know sneezing is just our body's way of clearing irritants from our nose, the tradition has stuck around as a polite, friendly gesture.